The big question, after yesterday's wild swing, what's next for Nifty? Our call of the day, yesterday's volatility offers a clear preview of how Nifty may trade through 2026. Please note, Nifty is already down 1.52% in January. The make or break support lies at 25,473. Only a decisive move above 26,100 can restore strong bullish momentum. Key headline, crude oil at a 7-week high on Trump's tariff threats and Iran supply concerns, a negative for India's trade-sensitive sectors. The action has the potential to impact India, which has been among Iran's 5 largest trade partners in recent years. Major Indian exports to Iran include rice, tea, sugar, pharmaceuticals, man-made staple fibers, electrical machinery and artificial jewelry. 3 major overhangs. 1. FII selling, 16,925 crore rupees in Jan so far. 2. Muted Q3 earnings start, TCS and HCL Tech trading flat post results. 3. Wall Street cooling off from record highs. Bottom line, volatility shall remain elevated. Nifty bulls may struggle to sustain moves even above the 26,000 mark. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,500 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,182 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,200 and 26,200 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.20 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.26 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.88 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.89. Nifty outlook. Bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as FIIs continue to be on the sell side. Caution shall continue to be the buzzword. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5732. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,601 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,941 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 25900. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83628. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 82,861 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,000 and 84,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59579. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,951 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,000 and 60,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The World Bank has said India's economy is expected to grow 6.5% in FY27, easing from an estimated 7.2% in the current fiscal, underlining that resilient domestic demand will continue to anchor growth even as external headwinds intensify. Volatility is set to remain the hallmark of today's trading at Dalal Street, with traders balancing trade deal optimism, earnings momentum, positive global policy cues as against persistent FII selling. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Anand Rathi Wealth, plus 0.15%, 3,137 rupees. Anand Rathi Wealth consolidates despite strong Q3 performance as the company reported a robust 29.6% year-on-year rise in net profit to 100.1 crore rupees, driven by a 22.2% increase in revenue to 289.6 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with the same period last year. 2. Larsen, Lanty, minus 3.21%, 3,890 rupees. Lanty slipped on Kuwait tender rebid concerns, company clarifies projects not in order book. Shares of Larsen & Toubro, Lanty, fell after reports suggested Kuwait may cancel and rebid oil projects worth $8.7 billion, raising concerns over future order inflows. However, responding to a BSE query, Lanty clarified that the projects mentioned are not part of its current order book. 3. Bharat Coking Coal IPO was massively oversubscribed 76.8 times on the final day of bidding. NII portion saw a staggering to 23.9 times subscription, while QIB's 48.7 times and retail 42.2 times. The issue was fully subscribed within minutes of opening, underscoring strong investor appetite. 4. Woodtech Vabag, plus 1.07%, 1,186 rupees. Woodtech Vabag surged after the company said that it has secured a large domestic order from Bharat Petroleum Corporation, BPCL, for advanced water treatment facilities at the Bina Petchem and refinery expansion project in Bina, Madhya Pradesh.